Just wanted to make a quick video on how to remove the inner faceplate from the Quest 3. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to take a spudger here, like this. We're just going to find the seam here, and we're just going to start popping clips. And you'll feel them pop. There's one, there's a pop, and then we're just going to work our whole way around, just like that. That one came up pretty easy. You're just going to keep going around, just like that. Be sure not to poke through the rubber bit here. I'm going to take my spudger and I'm going to very gently prop up this. Easy does it. So that's free. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Be careful not to scratch your lenses. Just gently find the seam. Don't go overboard. It doesn't take too much pressure. Alright. And then that's up. And now that that's up, there's one last clip in the center here. I'm going to move the IPD all the way out so I can kind of get to it. And that's just going to pop up just like that. Easy does it. Now if you want to put the faceplate back on, it's very simple. We're just going to kind of go in reverse order and we're just going to clip. So I'm going to go with that center one first. There it is, we're clipped down. And then we're going to get the eyes positioned here. And those just clip in. Again, be really gentle. It doesn't take much force, but you do need to find the right positioning here. I'm going to move the IPD back in so they're a little bit easier to reach those clips without stretching the rubber too much. There we go. That's all lined up and clipped in. Last one. All right. And then you're all ready to go again.